Good morning, children. Uh, I'm talking with class 4 students. I hope all of you have learned the chapter or read the chapter, this adjective. Today you are having grammar, adjective chapter 7, class 4. Already I finished half of the chapter. Now today, next half I will discuss. But before that, I make sure that you have read the chapter 10 times. Okay, now we discussed in the last class that adjective of number and adjective of quantity. Today we will discuss adjective of quality, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. Now what is adjective of quality? Now adjective of quality, that is you have to an adjective that tells us about the quality of a person or thing. Words like big, small, then large, black, beautiful, ugly, handsome. So all these are the adjective of quality. If I say that Ram is a good boy, then this good, the particular good indicates that Ram is a good boy. राम एक अच्छा लड़का है. तो ये जो हम बॉय नाउन को डिटेल्स में बता दिया कि वो क्या किस तरह की लड़का है, गुड बॉय है, ये गुड वाला है एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड. So these are all, this big, small, large, black, beautiful, ugly, handsome are all adjectives of quality because they tells us what kind of person or thing someone or something is. Okay, so these are the adjective of quality. For example, the rose is a beautiful flower. Now this flower, the beautiful, this word is describing the flower morely, okay, in details. What type of flower this rose is? Now this rose is a beautiful flower. This word beautiful, it is an adjective of quality because it is describing the particular flower. Okay, we have good teachers in our school. Now in our school we are having good teachers. Now what kind of teachers are there in our school? It is good teachers. So this particular good is adjective of quality. Demonstrative adjective, an adjective that points out which person or thing we are talking about. जो adjective point किया जाता है कि किसके बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. Words like this, that, those, such, these are all demonstrative adjectives. For example, I do not like such films. Now I am telling to someone that this type of film I don't like. So what type of film? Such film. इस तरह की फिल्म हमको पसंद नहीं है. तो ये जो फिल्म किस तरह की है बता रहे हैं हम फिल्म को. फिल्म तो नाउन वर्ड है, तो वही है एडजेक्टिव, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. ठीक है, डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहा है किस तरह की है. आई लाइक दैट पिक्चर, तो वही पिक्चर मुझे पसंद है. सो आई लाइक दैट पिक्चर, दिस पर्टिकुलर दैट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द पिक्चर नाउन वर्ड. एंड सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ पिक्चर इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग इट, सो इट इज अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. ओके, now interrogative adjectives, an adjective that is used which nouns to ask questions. Now the word, particular noun word, the particular word which is asking about the question, asking something. So that words like what, whose and which are interrogative adjectives. So these words are interrogative adjectives. The particular word which is helping to ask a question, that is interrogative adjectives. Okay, now whose bat is this? पूछ रहा है किसको बैट है, तो whose this particular word, this is interrogative word. Which shirt do you like? कौन सा शर्ट तुमको पसंद है, ये which shirt, which is a interrogative word, so it is a interrogative adjective. Now possessive adjective, an adjective that is used with nouns to show possession. So this is my book, it just indicating which book. This book is my book, this belongs particular, this book is mine. So I am indicating to someone towards some book, that is the possessive adjective. This is yours pen. Okay, so these and that, those These are all possessive adjectives. Now children, we have finished this chapter adjective. Next day we will do the book work, and before that you please go through the chapter 10 times, as I used to say in the class. If you can't understand, I am there to help you positively. But one more thing I want to say, that I am missing you all, and so I want to talk to you all, to see you all. I want to see you all, to meet you all. But how it will be possible? You can't come to the school. Let's do a video call, okay? One day, before that day, I will let you know. One day we will talk, we will gossip, we will play games, whatever it may be, through a video call. Okay, but yes, I may ask you questions also. The chapters in English Lit, moral value, English grammar, whatever I finished till now, I may ask questions from those chapters also. And playing games, you know, I already played a few times in the class, that girls one group, boys one group. I ask questions, those group answer, they will get the point. So here also that game will be played in this way. I will ask you the questions from those chapters which I have already finished. You go through the videos repeatedly, try to understand, learn your lessons, and join in my video call. Okay, thank you.